Hi everyone. In today's video I want to start a new project. We need to establish lighting design for a retail space, and as you can see on my screen I imported already the DVG file for the retail space. As well I was drawing already the building, and now I'm ready to draw down the space. So I will just click on draw new room, and then we will just use the inside. We'll define the space for the inside, and we just go now on the contour of each corner of the space. You should be careful to choose to go as close as possible to the lines which were drawn in DVG. Here I will just let like a secondary space the outside, so the zone of entrance exit to the shop, and I will just continue with the rest of define rest of the elements of the room. It will not take too long time to define the interior space, and once we finish I will just add the windows and the doors to the inside space, and then we can also add the furniture of this space. So yeah, the space is defined. The height we let it to 0.8 meters, the wall thickness 0.2, then we can just close the space. So now we have the big room already done in the Dialux, so it will look as this. We have also the furniture inside. For the rest of the rooms I will do a separate lighting design. Main focus of course will be the shop area, and we need to focus as well on the illuminating the products on the shelf, and the customer experience will be the main point when we establish about the lighting design for the retail. It's a very complex topic, and there are a lot of solution which we can implement. Also, the second step, let's move to import the doors and the windows for this space. I'll just again drag and drop. Let's start from this side. Let's see if we have some window. I think all this part, I will just place a window here on this side. You can just scale it after it's on in place. You just, yeah, I will just go until the end, until here. And I would like to have it also later on. We will do also a daylight simulation. I think it's very good and very important to see the amount of light that we have available when we take in consideration the lighting system for retail space. So again, we need to scale based on the, yeah, here it is. Let's see if we have something more. I think that's all. related to the windows. These are more interior space. So yeah, that's all related to it. Now we need to select the doors. Let's say we have a double door. I will just go a little bit on the catalog. See, they don't see the catalog yet. Then I will just choose, yeah, a standard door. And I just open here. Yeah, we need to define also the space for this. Yeah, it will not, I will not work until I don't define this here also the space, otherwise the door will go out of the frame. Okay, then this step I will let it. I'll just focus on the indoor. Let's see if I can add it here, or will be the same topic with yeah, here it's okay. Yeah, we can do it like that. Adding also here. Okay, so we have also the door, with the exception on the exterior. I see that we have a couple of columns, so I will just add also the columns. We have rectangular one, so we'll just go place it here. We need to scale it as well, as in this moment is too big. Just go, yeah, the same size like the one in Dialux. We can have a preview. Yeah, it looks good. We see the doors, we see the columns, so, and also a big front window here. That's no, and here we have a small one. So step by step, the space it's coming alive. We can do it easy. Let's just copy paste. The columns should have the same dimension in the entire shop, with the exception of this one, which it's actually much bigger. So we do it like this, and after that we just scale it from all the sides. Not rotate the scale. Okay, and once again on this side. Good. So now we have also the big one. I will just copy this one. This one above should be, yeah, almost the same there. Yeah, I think we have it more or less everything defined related to the space. Now, next step, I will say we can also rename the space. So I will just call it shop area, or can be shopping area. And here, yeah, you need to establish the height if you want to change the work zone. Now, in this time, I will just focus on the floor level, I would say, and maintenance I will let it as it is, the 0.8. I will not change anything here. And yeah, now I will say let's move on to the furniture specific for a shopping area. I will just go on the catalog. I'll just open. Here we have a good, a decent, let's say, at least elements which we can use in these kind of shops. So I will need shelves. Let's see which type of shelf we would like to use. In this case, actually, in this shop we will sell groceries. So this is the main activity. So it's not a fashion, which will have a different, let's say, layout related to the furniture. So I think I will choose for this one, or yeah, this one even bigger. I will go in this case for in this part. I will say we can place it. So, and again we will just scale it, close there, and scale it a bit in front, just to be on the limit. Yeah, let's see. Have a look on the shelf area. Yeah, it's looking nice. So here we will have all the merchandise that you want to highlight, or let's say sell to to the customers. I will do the same thing. I will use the same shelf in this area. Let's move it on the right position, and after that we can just run a scale until here. Yeah, now in front. That's perfect. So the library which Dialux is offering you, I would say it's good enough to run not very complex designs, but let's say a general design with for a good lighting proposal. Um, you can use the library which Dialux providing. If you want to have a more exclusive lighting design with better finishing, then I suggest you to import a different library, which you'll have better finish and better quality. Let's say it in this way, and then it's more, let's say, also eye-catching for the person that you are presenting that project. But I guess for us, like learning, it's what we have in this moment. It's good enough. So yeah, we have almost, let's say, finish all on the shelf on the corner, and in the middle I will just use similar. The only difference is that this will be a double shelf, so we need to rotate it by the end, and yeah, scale it until the end of the row. Exactly. Let's have a look to have the right orientation. Yeah, it doesn't have the right orientation, so I need to move it in front, this one. Yeah, and after that I'll just copy here, same, and just rotate it. That will be easy. And now I just move it on the right position. Let's see if it's on the same position. Yeah, that's good enough. Maybe a little bit. Just scale it on the, have the same size. Yeah, covered. Oh, it's too much actually. So what we had before was good enough. Yeah, So that's it, and let's have a look on the shelves here. So it's getting good. Now we'll just copy one more time. You can just select both shelves with keeping the keyboard shift, and then just copy on the same spot. You need just to move it on the right side. Yeah. Here, because of these two columns, we cannot copy the entire shelf. So I'll just copy the upper part, so the first shelf actually, and then I will just do from small section the other shelf. Good. Here it's also, I see that it's smaller with one unit, so I have to scale it. And now I'll just copy and try to position it correctly. So it's quite easy to work with in Dialux Evo with the furniture and with the space. So and now just copy the other one. Oh yeah, let's scale it just a little bit in front. We can move it on the right position. One more time. Yeah, that should do it. I'll just copy now this and paste here. And now I'll just scale it for the last time. This one is just one unit. I will use the same shelf on the counter. On this side where we have the goods also displayed by the end of the main shelf. Just spin it, and place it like this. Scale it nicely, and then we just copy, or just use the same image to copy 3 times. Okay, and here I need to scale it a little bit. It's bigger than the previous one. Yep, that should go. And we place it as well here. And opposite on this side. Let's see to see if I have it right. Yeah, this one I need to rotate, and here, it looks like this. So looks nice. The interior really looks good, I would say. It's getting a nice shape, let's say. We have a feeling at least of what we need to illuminate, what we need to light. And I think it's very important. Yeah, I didn't mention the height of the shelf. Usually it's 2.2, so it's quite height. So it will be very important to have the proper vertical illumination to see all the products. Even we display, from the top down, we should have a very good uniformity and light level top down. So will be interesting, and I'm planning to use like 2 solutions of illuminating these shelves, and as well the, let's say, the shelves close to the wall area. Here I will just go again. I will just copy again the shelf. Here we have the last row actually of this type of shelf. So I just make it, you know, smaller, a little bit up front, and the rust area. Yep, that's it. Here we go here. And let's see, on the shelf area, I tried to use to find now this one. I will just use this area, like look like shelf, but they're freezers. So where the food which need to be to hold on low temperature, it's placed in these areas. So I will try to import now, find a freezer in this case, and add it to the video. I'll just rotate it in this moment. Yeah, it looks like this. Let's have a look. So yeah, it's on this side. I'll just go again and just move it on the spot, and it looks like this. Yeah, I will just scale it until there. So for today, I think I will stop here, and we will continue next time with finishing the furniture and start working on the lighting design for this shop space. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Bye.